Good day guys, welcome back to the King's Right class. As our last class, I looked at the introduction to binomial expansion. But in today's class, we'll be solving questions on binomial expansion using binomial expansion formula, which I give us as what? A plus b raised to power n to be equals to what? N combination r, a raised to power n minus r, b raised to power what? R. Where I said my n is the x power, and my r ranges from 0 to n, that's 0 to the power that we're given in the question. So now, for example, that we started solving last week, that was the previous time we met, we had x plus 2 or raised to power 2. We are using binomial expansion. I said the formula was what? N combination r, a raised to power n minus r, b raised to power what? R. And applying that, we have that what? 2 combination what? 0. The first value of r. Our a there is what? X raised to power what? 2 minus 0. That's minus n minus r. B, which is what? Plus 2 raised to power what? 0. Then we have plus. For the next one, we apply the same formula and we what? Adding each of them together. We have what? 2 combination 1, second value of r. X raised to power what? 2 minus 1, 2 raised to power what? 1. Then plus 2 combination 2, x raised to power what? 2 minus 2, 2 raised to power what? 2. Now, and my last class I said for you to expand combination, I gave combination formula to what? N combination r, which is what? N factorial over what? N minus r factorial, r factorial. That's formula for combination. In which case, you are going to apply this formula to what? To each of them to get the combination value of all this. Then you get your answer. Now, for 2 combination 0, apply the formula, which is this. I'm going to have that what? 2 factorial over what? 2 minus 0 factorial, 0 factorial. That's for this expression. In which case, x raised to power 2 minus 0 is what? X is power what? 2. 2 raised to power 0 there is what? 1. Plus 2 combination 1. Apply this formula, n combination r. I have that what? 2 factorial over what? 2 minus 1 factorial, 1 factorial. Then what remains? X raised to power 2 minus 1, which is x raised to power 1. 2 raised to power 1, which is what? 2. Then plus this last one, which is 2 combination 2. Apply this formula for n combination r. I have that what? 2 factorial over what? 2 minus 2 factorial, 2 factorial. In which case, that's for this expansion. And I have what? X raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 2, which is what? Which is 4. On solving, I'm going to have this as what? 1. Okay, or what I said factorial is what? 2 times what? 1. That's factorial. Over 2 minus 0 is 2. There's factorial here. That's 2 factorial. We have what? 0 factorial. X raised to power 2 times 1 is what? X raised to power 2 plus 2 factorial is what? 2 times 1. Okay? Over what? 2 minus 1 is what? 1 factorial. What remains? 1 factorial. X is power 1 there is what? X times what? Times 2. Then plus this, which is what? 2 factorial is what? 2 times 1 over 2 minus 2 there is what? 0. That's 0 factorial, 2 factorial. Finally, I have that what? 2 over what? 2 times 1. Where 2 times 1 here is 2. 2 factorial is what? 2 times 1, which is 2. 0 factorial is 1. Times what? X squared. Plus, this is 2 over what? 1 times what? 2x. When I multiply this, plus what? 2 over what? 1 times what? 2. Where 0 factorial here is 1. 2 factorial is what? Is 2. That's times 1, which is 2. So, I'm getting on solving, I'm going to have that what? This cancels this. I have that as x squared plus 2 times 2 here is 4x plus 2 over 1. 2 over 2 here is 2 over 2 here is 1. There's a mistake. We just expanded this and we got this. So this is what? X power 0 is 1 times 4 is what? 4. So I still have times 4 here. Where this comes out, I have what? 4. So On solving, the first thing I have to do is what? Is to apply the formula for binomial expansion, which is n combination r, a raised power n minus r, b raised power r, for each of them, by adding. So, and after solving, I'm going to have what? My answer is s squared plus 4s plus 4. Okay, so for this question, we'll be applying what we applied in number one question, which is what? Binomial expansion formula and what? And combination formula. Now, n combination r is 4 combination 0. Remember, your r ranges from 0 to n. That's 0 to 4 in this case. So, 4 combination 0, it is what? 2s squared raised power what? 4 minus 0. That's n minus r. b there is what? Plus 3 raised power what? 0. Then plus 4 combination 1, 2x squared raised power what? 4 minus 1 minus 1. b is 3 raised power what? 1. Plus 4 combination 2, 2x squared raised power what? 4 minus what? 2, 3 raised power what? 2. Plus 4 combination 3, 2x squared raised power what? 4 minus 3, 3 raised power what? 3. Then plus what? 4 combination 4, 2x squared raised power 4 minus 4, 3 raised power 4. Now, you advise to take it carefully. In which case, 4 combination 0 is what? 4 factorial over what? 4 minus 0 factorial, 0 factorial, times 2x squared raised power 4, 3 raised power 0 is 1, plus 4 combination 1, and 4 combination 1 here is what? According to combination formula, 4 factorial about 4 minus 1 factorial, 1 factorial, 2x raised power 2, all raised power what? 3. 3 raised power 1 here is what? 3. Plus, for the next one, 4 factorial about 4 minus 2 factorial, 2 factorial, times 2x all raised power what? 2x squared, all raised power what? 2. 3 raised power 2 here is what? 9. Plus 4 combination 3 is what? 4 factorial over what? 4 minus 3 factorial, 3 factorial, times 2x squared raised power what? 1. When 4 minus 3 is what? 1. 3 raised power 3 is what? 27. Then plus, finally, 4 factorial over what? 4 minus 4 factorial, 4 factorial, 2x all raised power 0 there is what? Is 1. 2x squared, 4 minus 4 is 0, so this all raised power 0 is what? 1. 3 raised power 4 is what? 81. So on solving, I have my answer to be 16x raised power 8 plus 96x raised power 6 plus 216x raised power 4 plus 216x raised power 2 plus 81. Where the combination of this is 1. Then I did all the multiplication, I got whatever I got here. But the combination of this is what? Is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. I got my 12 here. This expansion is this. And so on. So when I solved everything, I got what? I got this. So take out the time to look through the steps of solving and try and understand it. If you don't understand this aspect, try and look at my video from the beginning. That's the introductory part to binomial expansion and what. So how you can solve them.